Oh, what's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So, what do we have right here? And as you can see, the head and shoulder pattern is playing out nicely for the long-term traders. That is our entry, and we are going down all the way till this recent level of support. Now, the support level has been mentioned in my yesterday's video. Feel free to check them out. I've mentioned that on nemexcapital.com, Ovanda, and MCX as well. So keep an eye on the support below. Now, for the entries, I'm looking at on 4-hour time frame, and it is very simple to take your entries looking at this nice down trend market. So all we are looking at just a pullback to 50 EMA will be very good, but if we have a pullback of few candles followed by bearish engulfer, we are just going to look for the bearish pullback entry. We are now in the oversold situation right here, and a correction is expected. With that correction, if I get a condition like engulfers, bearish engulfer, I'm going to go short using 1 to 2 ATR for my target. So it's very simple, no confusions. Look for bearish trades, but with pullback followed by bearish engulfing patterns. Similar here on MCX right here, and similar here on Ovanda, and all 4 platforms. And we are also looking at the level below. Now this is the major level till where I'm expecting a price to get to. From where if the price get to these levels, I'm expecting a nice bounce, and in that case we have a double bottom pattern completion, and that will push the price up as well. So keep an eye on the zone below from where we are buying. Otherwise, we are just selling. Remember, if there is no condition, we are not taking any trades, and if there is no condition here, we are not taking any trades. So only selling, but with condition. We are in a downtrend. Head and shoulder pattern has been played out nicely, and it's pushing down and triggered entry number 1. So once we have a correction followed by bearish engulfer, we are gonna go short. Next up, we have gold. Now, in my last video, I've clearly mentioned price must break below this low for the next pullback entry bearish. Now, at this point, I'm looking at this first bottom. If the price come down to the first bottom, rejects from here, followed by bullish engulfer, green candles or pin bar, that is a weak but valid buy signal. Now, as long as we are trading below 50 EMA, I'm not taking any buy trades. I'm just waiting for the price to break out above or below these lows. Once I see a break above 50 EMA, I'll start to look for my pullback entry bullish, and then keep on taking longs. And once we are broken below this lows, then we are looking at a price to get down to these levels. Now, looking at dollar index, we are still in the level of support. If the dollar index breaks below these levels, then dollar will get weaker and gold will push up. So we are still in the level of support. Let's see how this goes up or below. That is why we are still waiting to see a confirmed condition. Break below, we are selling, and break above 50 EMA, we are buying with conditions only. So keep an eye, don't rush in the trades. Make sure you are looking for a valid condition and don't force yourself in any trades. Next up, we have silver. Silver is again similarly like last video is ranging between this little dotted lines. I'm not taking any trades for silver. We are just ranging up and down. That is what we are expecting. I'm just waiting for the breakout below these lows to sell this market, above this low buy this market till the next level of resistance, from where I will look into enter my sell counter trend sell trades. So I'm not taking any trades unless and until I see a breakout above these highs or breakout below these lows. So keep an eye and wait with patience for the next entry condition after the clear breakout. Finally, we have crude oil. It's pushing up now. At this point, price is still ranging. Now, if you're looking at this bullish engulfer, that is not one of the valid entry condition. That is not one of the valid buy signal. In case you're wondering, I won't be taking this as an entry, but this was a valid buy entry that has already pushed up, hitting the take profits. Now, at this point, in general, we are above 50 EMA. I'm still expecting a price to head higher. That is still this level above, which is right here, these numbers in blue, from where I'll be selling this market. So as long as we are above, we are only looking to buy. But for valid condition, I want to see a break above these. Next buy trade I won't be taking. But if you're managing this trade already, then it is good to manage till these recent highs, from where you can exit your trade and look for the next entry condition from the level above in red. So we are still bullish for crude oil till the price get to the level above, from where we are selling crude oil. Not selling as long as price is not here, or as long as price is trading above 50 EMA. Sell will only happen from here or once we are broken below these lows. So that is it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.